homeostasis today. So before the start of the class, I'd like you all to like and subscribe to this our YouTube channel, Gallant Medical. Thank you. So today we shall be discussing on homeostasis, and the contents we shall be discussing under homeostasis they are introduction to homeostasis, regulation of homeostasis, clinical correlates, and homeostatic control system. So starting from the introduction to homeostasis. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the body attempt to maintain a constant internal environment. And maintaining a stable internal environment requires constant monitoring and adjustment as condition changes. The regulation of homeostasis. This is the adjustment of physiological system within the body. The regulation of homeostasis is the adjustment of physiological system within the body, and it involves three mechanisms. The first one is the receptor, the second one is the control center, and the third one is the effector. So shall we start off from the first one, which is the receptor. The receptor receives information. The receptor receives information that something in the environment is changing. The control center, it receives and processes information from the receptor. And the effector, which is the third one, responds to the commands of the control center by either opposing or enhancing the stimulus. So the three mechanisms of regulation of homeostasis, which is the first one, the receptor, it receives information that something in the environment is changing. The second one, which is the control center, it receives and processes information from the receptor. And the third one, which is the effector, it responds to the commands of the control center by either opposing or enhancing the stimulus. And the clinical correlates under this is homeostatic imbalance. Homeostatic imbalance. What is homeostatic imbalance? It is the failure of the body to maintain a constant internal environment. It's directly opposite to homeostasis, because homeostasis is a maintenance of constant internal environment, and homeostatic imbalance is the failure of the body to maintain constant internal environment. And it is the starting point of disorders and disease in the human body. And the causes of this homeostatic imbalance, they are being caused by stress, alcohol consumption, aging, sleeplessness, and lack of water intake. The first one is stress. Sorry for the wrong spelling. It's caused by stress, alcohol consumption, aging, sleeplessness, lack of water intake, and all others. And the consequences, what does this homeostatic imbalance, what does it cause to the body? It causes heart failure, it brings about hypertension. The third one, which is the hypoglycemia, that is a very low level of blood glucose, and hyperglycemia, which is a very high level of blood glucose concentration, of high level of concentration of sugar in the blood. And so the last topic which I'm talking about is the homeostatic control system. What is the homeostatic control system? It is a functionally interconnected network of body components that operate to maintain a given physical or chemical factors in the internal environment. And it can be classified into two. It can be classified as the intrinsic control and the extrinsic control. The first one, which is the intrinsic control, they are the inherent compensatory response of an organ to a change. Intrinsic control, they are the inherent compensatory response of an organ to a change. And the second one, which is the extrinsic control, they are responses of an organ that is triggered by external factors to the organ. They are responses of an organ that is triggered by external factors to the organ. And also, both the intrinsic and the extrinsic control system, they generally operate on the principle of three mechanisms, which is the negative feedback mechanism, the positive feedback mechanism, and the feed-forward mechanism. So this mechanism, we shall be discussing it in the next video that we shall be uploading. We shall be discussing the negative feedback mechanism, the positive feedback mechanism, and the feed-forward mechanism. Thank you for listening. This is the end of the class. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel as Gallant Medicard. Thank you and good day.